If you're experiencing account sync issues on your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure your PS5 is connected to the internet. Go to Settings, then Network, and select Test Internet Connection to confirm that your connection is stable. Step 2. Restart your console. Power off your PS5 completely and unplug it for a minute. Then plug it back in and turn it on. This can help reset any temporary glitches affecting the account sync. Step 3. Update system software. Make sure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, then System, and select System Software Update to check for and install any available updates. Step 4. Sign out and back in. Navigate to your profile, sign out of your PlayStation Network account, and then sign back in. This can refresh your account and resolve sync issues. Step 5. Rebuild database. Boot your PS5 in safe mode by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller via USB and select the Rebuild database option. This can help fix various issues, including account sync problems. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any account sync issues on your PlayStation 5. If problems persist, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.